Computer security, also known as cybersecurity or information security, refers to the protection of computer systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. It encompasses a range of practices, technologies, and processes designed to safeguard digital assets and mitigate the risks posed by cyber threats. Here's an overview of computer security and how individuals and organizations protect their data and systems. 1. Understanding computer security. Computer security involves protecting digital assets, including hardware, software, networks, and data, from various security threats and vulnerabilities. Security threats can include malware, such as viruses, worms, ransomware, hackers, phishing attacks, data breaches, insider threats, and other malicious activities. 2. Core principles of computer security. Confidentiality. Ensuring that sensitive information is accessible only to authorized users and protected from unauthorized access or disclosure. Integrity. Maintaining the accuracy, consistency, and trustworthiness of data and systems by preventing unauthorized modifications or alterations. Availability. Ensuring that systems and data are accessible and usable when needed, with minimal downtime or disruptions. 3. Common security measures and practices. Authentication. Verifying the identity of users and devices before granting access to sensitive resources, typically through passwords, biometric authentication, multi-factor authentication, MFA, or digital certificates. Encryption. Protecting data from unauthorized access or interception by converting it into an unreadable format using encryption algorithms. This ensures that only authorized parties with the appropriate decryption keys can access the data. Firewalls. Implementing firewalls to monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic, filtering out potentially malicious or unauthorized connections and protecting against network-based attacks. Antivirus software. Deploying antivirus and anti-malware software to detect, prevent, and remove malicious software, malware, from computer systems, including viruses, worms, trojans, and ransomware. Patch management. Keeping software applications, operating systems, and firmware up to date with the latest security patches and updates to address known vulnerabilities and weaknesses. Backup and recovery. Regularly backing up critical data and systems to secure locations or cloud storage services, enabling quick recovery in the event of data loss, corruption, or ransomware attacks. Security awareness training. Educating users and employees about cybersecurity best practices, common threats, and how to recognize and respond to phishing emails, social engineering attacks, and other security risks. 4. Risk management and incident response. Conducting risk assessments to identify and prioritize security risks, vulnerabilities, and potential impacts on the organization's operations and assets. Developing incident response plans and procedures to detect, contain, and mitigate security incidents, such as data breaches, malware infections, or denial of service attacks. Establishing communication channels and coordination mechanisms for reporting security incidents, responding to emergencies, and collaborating with internal teams and external stakeholders. 5. Compliance and regulation. Compliance with industry regulations, data protection laws, and security standards, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA, Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, PCI DSS, and ISO, IEC 27001. Implementing security controls and measures to meet regulatory requirements, protect sensitive data, and demonstrate due diligence in safeguarding customer information and privacy. In summary, computer security is essential for protecting digital assets and mitigating the risks posed by cyber threats. Individuals and organizations can enhance their security posture by implementing a combination of security measures, practices, and technologies tailored to their specific needs and risk profiles, and by staying informed about emerging threats and best practices in cybersecurity.